What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this grape, French grape of French origin from the Pinot family, the same as the Pinot Noir or Pinot Gris. This is the same family of grape varieties from the northeastern part of France. More specifically from Burgundy. This is a grape that makes some wines, so still white wines in Alsace, but it is more often than not used for making sparkling wines such as the Crémants in Burgundy or in Alsace. It is called the Weiss burgunder in Germany, which means the white wine from Burgundy. But in French, how do you go about pronouncing the name of this grape? Pinot, yes, the T is silent, just like for Pinot Noir. And then Blanc, the C is silent in French. It'd be okay in English to say Pinot Blanc, but in French we do say Pinot Blanc. Just like we say Sauvignon Blanc or Chenin Blanc, we do not pronounce the C at the end of it. Pinot Blanc. Pinot Blanc French wine grape variety. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce all of the wine words from all around the world, from French, Italian, Spanish and beyond, here are many more videos that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.